Jayoma. They got a bot spot right here. But for you, I'm falling for stranger. For you, I'm dancing with danger. Excuse me. I'd rather catch a body than catch feelings for somebody else. And I was like, is my live gonna work, bro? It's like, it was like about bugging up for a second. Yo, 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 what's up, Jits? What's up, Jits? Peep the unicorn set up with a 15-minute. Let's see. I was literally just looking at that. Where? This one right here? Like all the way up here? Or are you talking about like this unicorn setup? Like which there's like so many. There's a unicorn setup right here. There's a unicorn setup right here. Dude, lower? Oh. Right here. Boom. Dude, this looks so good, bro. This looks great for shorts, because if you look at the hourly, it was respecting every single hourly PDA rate. Like right here, boom, respect. Oh, like boom here, respect, dump, boom right here, respect, dump. Dude, it's so clean. Major high time bullish SMT at the lows, pointing it out. Yeah, so I'm kind of looking at that too, because we do have this 4-hour fair value gap right here also, which we could come back down here, tap, and have like a higher major retrace like yesterday's. But right now we do have SMTs at the highs too. SMTs at the highs. And if you look here, let me see. Let me mark out the SMTs at the lows really quick. Dude, marking SMTs are like is like so complicated. SMTs. Who knows? We could just tap this 4-hour fair value gap right here and then start to pump, because we do have SMTs at the lows. But we are overall bearish, so like I'm not too worried. Maybe we could look for longs. Could look for longs for potential retracement. But other than that, this would be your turtle soup pretty much. Just careful, there's no news. Tie shit. Oh, we have Richard Manufacturing Index at like 9, but I don't think it's gonna affect as much. What's good, bro? How you been? Yo, what's good, Mitsufu? I'm doing great, brother, man. Just had a decent sleep, so that's good. So right here, kind of rejecting. I want us to come back down, maybe tap this 4-hour, and then start to pump. And I'll look for like a turtle soup maybe. But right here is not prominent right now. Long right here is not prominent. I'm from Oklahoma, but I'm really trying to move to your heart for real. Yeah, that's cringe as shit. Okay, so we just got a gnarly ass pump. Shit. said, I'm still bearish. I know we have SMTs at the lows right now, but I'm still pretty bearish. I expect this 4 hour fair value gap to come to get tapped. And if you draw your fib from here to here, we are well above premium, so we could look to short here. Looking for some sort of displacement here. But like I said, I'm just gonna wait for. I'm trying my best for like good market condition here. I'm not here for all your small talk, because this looks like a market maker sell model here. We're generating sell side liquidity here. I need us to tap a higher time frame PD array, and this would be your total soup. I was looking at some videos yesterday of like market maker buy models and market maker sell models here. We're generating sell side liquidity as we go down. Right here, generating. So I just don't like how we never have a higher time frame PD array for us going up. So therefore, I'm gonna wait. It's a 15-minute gap. Yes, I see that. And plus, we're well above premium too, so we could see some potential downside here. But as of right now, I'm gonna wait. We're rejecting off this 5-minute here. SMTs at the lows. We're still respecting this 4-hour fair value gap here. Just we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait here. SMT on the 1 minute for short. I don't think I want to, like, we have this big gap right here. I don't know if I look like this at all. ES is dumping while NQ is pumping. So let's see. You have SMTs at the highs here. I need to see if we're in a higher time for PD right here. If we can break structure here to the downside, I may look to take like a stab short here. Just one contract. We have SMTs at the highs. We're in a higher time for PD array. We're kind of rejecting off of it now. But this doesn't look bad for shorts to target these lows. Because ES starting to looks like it wants to dump here. NQ is starting to lack. We could see a massive drop here. 4-hour gap looks good for shorts. Which 4-hour gap? Are you talking to let me see. This gap up here? But we'll wait. What is DXY doing? I need to start checking DXY here. DXY looks like it wants to pump. While NQ is pumping also. We could see like a massive sell down maybe. We'll see. Pray long. We'll see. I'm kind of just waiting here. Market just opened, so. Like I said, this is market maker sell model here. I'm waiting. We have SMT at the lows, high time frame SMTs. We're in a 4-hour value gap here. This could be your turtle soup, but I would have liked it to at least come down to these lows here. But ES looks like it wants to keep dumping here, but NQ is lacking behind right now. Let me see. Maybe it was just another internal liquidity sweep. We have SMT divergence here. The only problem for shorts is that we are underneath midnight opening. I see, but like, I mean, it wouldn't be bad for price to come down. Maybe tap this 4-hour for value gap here. I mean, shorts here. I want to take a stab short here. Since we did break structure here, this big candle, I think we're gonna completely run through it. We came up, tapped 50% mark of this range. Tapped way well into premium here. SMT's at the highs. Nah, I need to take better setups here. It's too early. Just too early to tell. Like, all I'm worried about is right now we have SMTs at the lows here. And we have all this generated sell-side liquidity up here, which we could come back and tap before going down. We just tap this kind of area. Longs here don't look bad. 5-minute did break structure here also. We're kind of running through this 15-minute for value gap. Longs here don't look bad here also. Just going for macro. Yes, sir. I think this is the next drawn liquidity before we come back down and take out this liquidity down here. So I may look to take a long here. Let's take a long here. If we can come back down to this fair value gap right here. Take the long off the gap. Yeah, longs here don't look bad. Now that I'm seeing it, we have SMTs at the lows. We broke structure on the 5-minute. We completely invert. We're about to inverse this fair value gap right here. We could seek lower here. Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right here. SMTs at the lows. 5-minute break of structure gap. I think if after we tap this gap right here, we could see a potential downside maybe to retrace into these fair value gaps here, but we'll wait and see. Because this is the next draw right here, more than likely maybe, if we're pushing back down. Where's 50% mark of this range here? I'll look to enter off like maybe discount area of this range here. Or maybe even discount this range here. Alright, I'll take a try long here. Stops could literally be right here. We displace above this high, which is great. We'll see what happens here. Yes, I goes again to grow for the childish game, and I don't know why. Very volatile right now for sure. Nice reaction so far. My stops could be under this low here. But I think we come up, sweep out this low here, and come back up maybe. Yeah, I feel like I should have at least waited to like discount area of this range. We did tap discount now. I'll potentially trail my stop here. This is the exact same thing happened. I did the exact same thing I did yesterday, bro. Like after we got big displacement up, we displaced again. I entered off the exact same thing as yesterday and completely got stopped out. And then price eventually came back down to discount the range and then pumped. Note that somewhere. Yeah, no, I should have waited for like discount area here. Oh my god, I should have waited for discount here. You're FOMOing after you see that it's a good setup, but it's already moved up too much. Yeah, no, I saw that it moved up a lot, right? But then I should have waited for discount here. I should have waited for at least discount before entering longs. Um, like I said, because I saw that we displaced above this high, this liquidity high here. So I was like, okay, we're more likely going to keep going up. Maybe take out this generated sell side liquidity up here or buy side liquidity up there. Honestly, I wouldn't say it's fun because sometimes the market doesn't even go back for a discount. Yeah, so I'm saying like this is the exact same thing that happened yesterday. Like the long that I took yesterday. This is the exact same thing. We got a big displacement up. We rejected off this. We respected this fair value gap. Pumped. I entered off here and it got stopped out at this low, and then market eventually just started pumping again. So that's why I moved my stops a little bit down here. I should have waited for discount. I should have saw what happened yesterday. But yeah, sometimes it doesn't even come back to discount. So I do see that. If the body closes above 15 minutes, I'm entering long. What's your bias? Bias is realistically bearish. I'm bearish, but I'm longing because I'm longing because I'm expecting this strong liquidity first. This right here, we split out London low here. I'm expecting this strong liquidity. We have bullish SMT at the time. We have bullish SMT on the higher time frame. 5-minute broke structure to the upside here. And now I'm expecting this liquidity to get drawn, these technical highs to get drawn first, and then potentially downside here. You have to wait for time macro for certain fair value or PDR to deliver? What do you mean? There we go. Starting a nice little pump here. About to break structure here. Or we're still bullish overall here, but we tap this 5-minute right here. Looks great. Use for you guys about premium. For longs or for shorts? For shorts? See how it's starting to pump again? That's nice. Discount. Don't add to losing trades. Just in general. Yeah, no, I feel you. I feel you on that. I could have added down here. I might, but like I don't want to like. It's a bad habit if I just add to a losing trade, you know. So I can't. I don't want to like average, or I don't want to add here. Like I know this is more likely to draw on liquidity up here. Topstep has a new promo, $29 for 50,000 accounts that you pass. Yeah, no. What is it? I plan on getting some by the end of this week. I just want a paper trade for the rest of this week here. Okay, so if we come back down here, I may look to. This looks good though. If we can come back down here. Because who knows, we could see like seek London high, but I highly doubt it. I think we're gonna dump here after we sweep out this high. There we go. Back to break even, boys. There we go. We can come back down to this fair value gap right here. I'll look to add another contract. My shoulder be popping for real. Here, I'll look to I'll wait for ads. I could look to add another one here, but I need to see some more displacement here. Looks like we're starting to struggle to come back up. I'm not here for all your small talk or your morning coffee. Don't worry to add all at one time. Contracts is plenty. One contract. Don't be so worried to add one all the time. The one contract is plenty. Yeah, exactly. So I'm saying I'm like I want to add. I want to get used to like adding my contracts on winners instead of losers. So like I'm trying to get better at that. Just build good habits right now. Yo, what's up, Jason? What's up, brother man? Brother man. Hold on, let me close my door real quick. Yeah, this just seek out that high. What's your reasoning for this trade? Yeah, I got you. Hold on, let me get a sip of water. There we go. So I can see. See, like I should have added to my winners here, but hold on. Let's see if we see this high really quick. I'm just gonna have myself to break even here. There we go. There we go. Finally a W after like a shit day yesterday. But I'm up $700 on the 450K account. This is paper trading, by the way. I took a really good short. I made about $1,800 yesterday off a short. I caught like 300 plus six. So honestly, I don't even think you should be adding contracts while still learning how to be profitable. Yeah, like I see your point. I just want to like maybe like I've been trading for a while, so like I'm like used to like the vol like the money aspect. Like I just want to be able to add more contracts on winning trades instead of losing trades, you know. But yeah, I do get where you're coming from. But the trade recap. I think my stop was like 50% of this CE of this wig. I think it was like around here. The RR is terrible. Don't get me wrong. The RR is terrible. RR is fucking terrible. But played out fairly well. Let me see where we got out. The fuck is it at? So low 18,775. Or why can't I? Okay, the RR is not the best. I'll admit, RR is not the best. Um, I should have. This is the exact same thing that happened yesterday. I should have waited for at least discount area of this range for entering longs, but at the same time, we displaced up. We tapped this fair value up here. We displaced up. We got a candle closure above this high, so I was like, okay, it looks great. I'm gonna enter off this fair value gap right here. Entered off this fair value gap right here. Where did I get filled at? To be honest with you. 805.25, 1805.20. Yeah, right here. Yeah, I entered off this fair value gap right here, and I saw that we could have at least came back to discount every of this range. I had my stops here originally, which is great. Tap 50% mark of this range, and then just pumped. I could have added here, but I didn't. But it's fine. Like I said, 101 is okay, like barely 101. So it's like okay. Use the money aspect. Yeah, blows funded account 3 days. Yeah, no, like I'm trying to get better at that. 2 minutes delay, but if I don't get the entry on the consequent encroachment, I'll get RR 1 and 2 because it'll go above 15 minutes for back up. Exactly. Now, good shit, brother. We're getting a candle closure here, for sure. See, look, I'm short bias. 4 hours, 4 hours bearish. 1 hour is bearish. 15-minute was bearish, but I still went long because we had SMTs at the lows. 5-minute finally broke structure to the upside. This is basically a turtle soup. You could have entered off this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and boom, pump. So I don't know why. So now what am I looking at here? We have all this generated sell-side liquidity up here. We're about to break structure on the hourly, so we could really see honestly anything. 4 hours in this 4 hour for value gap still. I'm confused why you say say bearish then if you go long. Yeah, so right now structure wise maybe we can get a bearish movement in the PM session again, but 4 hour broke structure to the downside. We're like up on this candle here. We broke structure to the downside, right? Broke structure to the downside. But if you also look, we had SMT divergence. Let's see. We have SMT. I'll just mark it out, bro. Fuck's sake. We have SMT divergence between ES and NQ. We have SMT divergence between ES and NQ, and the reason why I even went long was because I saw that we have SMT divergence. I saw that we broke structure to the upside here, and I was like, okay, this looks great. I'm gonna enter off like some sort of PD array, some sort of conviction wise, and maybe I could have waited. The only problem right here is I should have waited for discount area of this range here, and I knew that after enter, so I moved my stops down here. I was just waiting for SMT, and then I was in. Yeah, exactly. Like we had SMT broke structure on the higher time frame, like the 5-minute or whatever, and then we pumped. So that's why it went long. So now we just wait. Who knows? We could get a this will happen yesterday. We literally got the biggest dump, literally big ass dump in the PM session. And I told you guys that this was the next draw, like draw on liquidity, more than likely here. This low from yesterday. Excuse me. Oh, it's right here. Like right here, like this. I told you guys this was the draw on liquidity. I told you guys it was bearish, but we kept pumping. But we finally dumped here. We were respecting all of this liquidity. We kept sweeping out liquidity here. Finally swept. Broke structure here. Got a retracement. Dumped here. This is where I got in around here, and then dumped to this low. Bro, once it takes major liquidity in the right time of day, SMT is all you need. I'm still my trade trailing. Good fucking work, brother. I just never trade like that, so I just didn't have any confidence for it to keep going up after sweeping out all this liquidity up here. In my case, I wanted with 1 minute candles close above 50 bid for value gap at the 18th 814. That happened, so I entered long the midpoint of the 8 930 candle. Yes, sir. Like I said, longs here did not look bad. It's just like a higher time frame retracement. So yeah, we chilling like a villain. So now we just wait for a better setup here. We're in this hourly for value gap. We swept all this liquidity. We could see some potential downside now, but we just wait here. I need to see a market structure shift to the downside. I just wanna see the world with you. Damn, what shit didn't change. But right now, see, we're rejecting here. Hourly for value gap here. Swept out all this liquidity. I would need to see some sort of market structure shift to the downside for potential shorts, because right now we're still short, or we're still bearish on the 4 hour here. 1 hour is still bear. 1 hour is still bearish, but I think we're about to break structure here though, to the upside here. So who knows? Shorts could be a possibility in the next, yeah, in the PM session. ES will have a better short. I just hate trading ES, bro. I just hate trading ES. That's all that is. Shorting now before internal range liquidity taken is standing in front of the moving train. I wouldn't short now. I would wait, realistically. Not really. Take a look at ES. Let's see. Oh, we have SMT in a 15-minute fair value gap here. I mean, this doesn't look terrible. SMT divergence. Okay, we broke structure to the upside on the hourly here, but as like said, I'll wait. I need to see a market structure shift to the downside here for me to validate anything. SMT's at the highs, hourly for value gap. I mean, it doesn't look terrible here. I don't really trust any more longs. Swatch DX1 15 minutes bullish. Let's see. Yeah, because ES was, I mean, not, DXY was pumping while InQ was pumping also. So I was like, oh, what the fuck is happening? But I don't know if it was just a coinkydink, but we are still rejecting. We're rejecting off this 4 hour right now. I mean, we're not rejecting it off. We're still in this 4 hour right now. We're bullish overall, so we could see some potential downside here. Some downside would be nice. After stripping all this liquidity, type of hard time from PDA right here. Sweeping all this liquidity. Tapped a hard time for PD array. I need to see a 5-minute breaker structure. Yeah, I need to see a 5-minute breaker structure here for me to validate shorts. Not in a trade right now, but I can see price going higher to London high. Ooh. I see where, yeah, like, London high is all the way up here. I mean, we could, like I said, we just wait here now. The London high would have been my next target if I had 2 contracts in here, but it just doesn't. Looks okay. Need more validation here. But for you, I'm dead too. Where's the... Now we just wait, bro. Realistically. I am on my own now. I am in control. I am on my own. Need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit. Back up on the thing. Don't dealing with you. Don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you. Don't know how to love. I'm trying to get a dump here, which is good. One right here if we displace and get a fair value gap. Yeah, I mean, like, I want to see 5-minute market structure shift for like pushing down because we do have this fair value gap right here. The music's too loud. Oh shit, my bad. Oh my god. I did not realize my fucking desktop audio was on. My fucking fault. I was trying to like record my desktop audio yesterday because I was trying to like make it real. And I didn't realize my desktop audio was on. That's my bad. My bad. Just get some calm music, just relaxing the brain. Shorts here don't look bad though. We have SMTs at the highs. We tapped a hard time for PD array. We're still in this hourly fair value gap. We swept out all this liquidity here. Looks like a valid liquidity sweep. I just want to see a 5-minute market structure shift to the downside for me to validate this short and potentially target these lows down here. Let's turn that up. Something copyright free. Yeah, exactly. Copyright free only, bro. Because YouTube would fucking demonetize the shit out of me, bro. I need this 5-minute fair value gap to hold. I mean, this 5-minute. Oh, I mean, I kind of want to see us go lower, bro. Low key. For me to validate it, I need to see a break structure here. And if you guys are new to the stream, go ahead and like the stream. BG. Yeah. Tight shit. Dun, dun, dun. Dude, I haven't filmed a YouTube video in forever. I gotta start picking up the fucking camera again, bro. I got too lazy, man. And like, I feel like shit. Dude, one of my reels got like 8,500 like, or 83K, 8,300 fucking views, bro. And I was like, I woke up this morning, I'm like, what the fuck? And I think I get like 7 cents per 1,000 views. So it's like, damn. Like goddamn, YouTube. You limiting me over here. Trying to buy another combine. I'm trying to buy another combine. Yeah, you gotta make shorts to bring people in. Yeah, no, I'm making shorts like every day, which is great. On all my live streams and shit. I think I'm gonna get rid of this short and repost it. But if that fair value converts to inverse fair value, I'm shorting NQ. Like I just, because I think we'll still have this fair value gap down here. We'll still have this fair value gap down here, which we could inverse this one, but this is the fair value gap that we could bounce off of. This was a valid liquidity sweep here. We're going to seek lower here, but I want to see us like break structure, like I said. I mean, yeah, it's not that big. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I see that. I see. Fuck, my trailing stop hit only $50. Damn, bro. Like I said, like overall bias is bearish. I think this was just a pullback to tap a higher time repeated array, maybe sweep out these highs, tap in higher time repeated array, starting to dump here. SMT's at the highs. This looks starting to look good. Yeah, SMT's right here. Yeah, my views have been lacking though, low key. Like I think my views have been like dropping. I used to average like 40, like I used to average like 50 viewers, bro. Now it's like, I'm not even complaining, but like shit, like I gotta step in my fucking game. I gotta do something different. I think I'm gonna get like a hot girl next to me next stream, or sometime, and she's going to be trading for me. You feel me? You know how I feel. London manipulation towards the lows, and then now distribution up towards the upside. Yeah, no, I feel you on that. There's a manipulation, what is it? Manipulation and then distribution. AMD, Asian low. I think Asian low is, yeah. Asian low dumped, bro. And it's just kept dumping here. I think this is just a retracement. So I need a 5-minute burger structure here. every day will rain. Dun, 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 dun. I earned 7 cents off this video. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, so now if we can break structure on the 5-minute here. This is now your new breaker structure. I'll look to short. Yo, what's the full form of ICT? What do you mean? What do you mean the full form? What do you mean? When you nod your head, yes. All right. Oh, inner circle. ICT concepts is just basically inner circle trader, and inner circle trader, and then it's also known as smart money concepts. Don't you think you're trading too much? No, I won't take a one trade today. Like I said, I'm just waiting for a better setup, for a better confluence. He's gonna demonstrate he's practicing. Yes, I'm practicing to get those fund accounts. I'm gonna get 5 50K accounts and go off from there. How much have you made from the channel? Over 300 bucks? No, I have not made shit. I made 42 cents. I gotta step up my game. I gotta do something popping. I gotta do something that's like new to the trading space. And I have an idea. I have an idea for sure. Why not start with 150K? Yeah, so that's the plan. I'm gonna start with 150K. Start with 150K account, right? And then, or I'm gonna buy 5 just like because of the sale, right? I'm just gonna like buy 5, right? Buy 5, and then trade like 1 time a day, really good setups, or try to, hopefully, trade really good setups, and maybe risk is like 500. I don't know, 500. Oh, things like liquidity, fair value coming. Oh yeah. Oh, so the things like liquidity, fair value gap, etc. come in ICT concepts. Yes, it does. Like liquidity, fair value gap, breaker structure, all that stuff. Then it's having the 1 minute fair value gap, man. Let me see. Are you bullish? Oh. I mean, you could have entered as soon as we got a candle closure above this fair value gap right here, but realistically, you should have waited. But it's all good, bro. It happens, man. It happens to the best of us. Don't try to do it. Don't try to do it 100%. Just buy an Apex account and YOLO and we'll trade. No, dude, Apex is so shit. I fucking hate Apex, bro. The rules and like just everything overall, and the website in general just looks sketchy as fuck. So, but guys, I have this new like video idea. Tell me if this is not fire. Tell me if like people are not gonna watch this. Okay, basically, I walk my pretty ass to Target, right? I walk my pretty ass to Target, and I find a girl. And I give her $100, right? I give her $100, and I'm like, hey, look, choose any stock you want. You bet on it going up or down, and I will give you the profit of however much this $100 makes. and then I go up to her, and then I get on my computer. I teach her, oh yeah, like this is the basics. Like, what do you, by looking at this chart, what do you want it to do? Do you want it to pump, or do you want it to just drop? And you can make money both ways, right? For options, and you can keep whatever profit you make, and you can tell me whenever to buy, or to, you can tell me to whenever sell. You can tell me whenever to sell, and you're broke. Now, the thing is, I'm not gonna be risking my $100. I'm going to be paper trading that $100, right? That $100, and then whatever profit she makes. Because realistically, you're not gonna be making that much. You're gonna be making like what, like $10, realistically, depending. Because like, the girl doesn't know how to trade, so I'm not really risking anything. I'm risking maybe like under like $20 at most. At most. Because it's options, right? You're not really making much in like etc. All the shit, all that shit. W trading riz, dude. I know, right? That's a good idea, but like I don't think most girls would be interested in that. That's a nice concept though. But don't just go for the girls. No, no. The thing is, they're not losing anything. They're not losing anything. They're not really losing anything. They're making money, realistically, if they win. Triz, trading riz. If they make money, then if they make money, just leave. Exactly. Like realistically, it's not they're not losing anything. I'm not losing anything at most, because they're probably gonna lose. Nah, damn. Well, I got that idea. Well, I didn't make that idea. My friend, my gym guy, he gave me the idea, and I was like, okay, that's not a bad idea actually. Supporting the trading risk 100%, but if you just don't go for girls, just make some boys some cash too. 100%. No, exactly. Like the thing is, like I gotta think about. I gotta be I gotta think about it. Like, most guys will click on a hot girl. You know what I mean? Like, most guys will click on a hot girl. Like, if you saw like a trading, since you guys are like, since you guys are like traders, right? You guys want to see a hot girl trade. That's just how it is, you know? Like, realistically, like, you want to see like a hot girl trade, and boom, a hot girl trades, a hot blonde or a hot like Latina, like Latinas. Oh, there's something different, bro. But that's besides the point. That's besides the point. Like a hot girl, whatever, and catfish. Oh, not catfish. Clickbait the fuck out of it. Clickbait the fuck out of it, and then like I'm gonna title it. I'm gonna put the thumbnail as like liquidate me. The girl's gonna be like, the girl, like, it would be like a picture of the girl, and then it's gonna like have a little chat bubble, and it's gonna say liquidate me, and I was like, okay, or some shit like that. Like, girl thumbnail, it's gonna be popping. It's for the algorithm. Bro is definitely onto something. 100%, bro. I think that's the plan for later today. I'm gonna go to Target, try to find a girl who's into that shit, and then, or like find a random girl, or try to at least, and get like, I'd be like, hey, choose a stock, and she's gonna be like, what's that? And I'm like, just choose, what's your favorite clothing store or whatever, and then like tell her, like, tell me if you want. I said, by looking at this chart, do you want it to go up or down in the stock market? And then she'll be like, whatever, and then we'll go from there. They probably gonna win more than you, no cap. No, that's what I'm saying. Like, I thought about that too. Like, I wanted to bring a girl on stream. And like have her trade for me. That would be 10 times better. You going up to girls, ask if they think the stock is going up or down. They like got like 10 seconds to reveal the answer. They win money or they don't win at all. It's easy. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all either. But it's like, I'm risking money at this point. You know what I mean? Like, I'm broke. I'm a broke. Because like, what if they get it right? You know what I mean? Then I'm fucked. Write a script for you and your introduction, by the way. Just like, don't go in there or not and script it and creep them out. Exactly, yeah. So like, I plan on, like, I thought about it. Like, I was gonna go to Target, right? And then like sit down, or like have my tripod set up, and then be at Target, like be outside of Target and just yell, get like the emotions out, like get the scarcity out of me, to going up to random women, or I guess, you know. And then now, like, yeah, cause I'm known at Target now too. You know what I mean? Like I used to work there, so like I'm pretty known there. They're gonna fire you again, bro. Tie shit, tie shit. Massive dump here. Still waiting here. I'm hella scared of women, bro. Yeah, no, I saw that. I saw you comment short coming up. Yeah, like I said, I'm still waiting here. We're still. I don't know if we'll bounce off this 1 minute fair value gap right here or not. Because this 1 minute fair value gap does look the most prominent fair value gap to look for longs. Because we tapped this 15 minute. We tapped this 5 minute fair value gap. This is the 1 minute fair value gap. So we'll see. We'll wait. I'm hella scared of women, bro. Dude, this is like, it's just. You just gotta know not to give a fuck. Like, I need to learn how not to give a fuck, bro. I'm hella scared of women, bro. That's so funny. Told you, we will not bounce off that fair value gap. Hopefully not. I want to see us go short or go lower. Just long SPX. Damn, bro. I mean, overall bias is bearish, so it's like, do you really want a long? But do follow your trading plan, obviously. I'm liquidity to most of you guys, so just see you women as men for real. No, exactly. You gotta treat them like men. I'm 80% we're going lower. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that we're going lower too here. Like I said, I still need a 5 minute break of structure for me to validate these shorts here. I swear, as soon as we see SMT next time, I'm TPing. Period. Tight shit. SMT's pretty gross too. I can't even look at them. Dude, that's like, you just gotta get rid of that shit, bro. Like realistically, you have you heard of, like, you gotta go for 5s before you can go for 10s. But like, I just gotta go for 10s, bro, because like 5s ain't finna like boost my channel, you know. And then like, it was something like, I do that, and then I walk up to random girls and be like, hey, choose a stock. You bet out going up or down, and if you win, you make money tomorrow. Or like, and you could we're going up, mark my words. Ooh, I don't know. We'll see what happens here. We could sweep another internal liquidity again. We tap this for 1 minute here. 1 hour did break structure here. We did break structure. Longs here don't look bad at all. They don't look bad. I just need more validation for longs. Oh, and we have SMT here. Oh shit. This doesn't look bad for longs. Ooh, that SPX call must have been nice here. Yeah, oh shit, must have been nice. Yeah, good job on the SPX call. It looks like shorts might be shorts might play out in the morning or in the afternoon. But now, look, we're in a 4 hour fair value gap now. So now, do we still look for shorts? Or do we look for long? Like, I don't think this is high probability right now. Or nothing is. You're actually so cringe. It hurts my brain. No, it's all good, bro. In longs, bro, that's a nice strategy to get girls' number. Give me your number so I can contact you, inform you about the trade you took. Nah, for real. It'd be like that. Like, I don't want to get their phone number. I'm just going to get their Instagram or some shit. Like, and then we'll go from there. We just need to climb over that SMT. That fair value gap looked. That fair value gap worked. TP smacked. Yeah, this. We had bullish SMT here. Bullish SMT. And then we just pumped. Dun dun dun. If we completely inverse this fair value gap, that would be crazy. We have bullish SMT, 15-minute broke structure, which I didn't even realize. 15-minute broke structure to the upside. I think shorts might play out PM session, or now. We're tapping into this 4 hour fair value gap right now. Just wait here. I mean, this is your market maker sell model here. Boom, we're dumping. This is buy side of the curve or whatever. Boom, whatever. I don't know. Don't quote me on it though. Basically, we're dumping, but we're generating sell side liquidity here. But the only problem was, yeah, we did tap a hard time from PD array. External draw was taken. Boom, external draw was taken. We generated sell side liquidity. We could look to seek up all these highs before going back down. I did some research yesterday on market maker sell and buy models. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Anyways, if we can inverse this fair value gap, I got that move. Yes, sir. Love to hear it, bro. I wasn't like too sure, but I wasn't like not too sure at the same time because like I didn't even realize we broke structure to the upside on the 15-minute. I didn't even look. But now we're in this 4 hour fair value gap, so this could play out PM session. Who knows? I'm not even sure. We're starting to dump here. If we can, what is it? If we can like, oh, so let's say, if we can inverse this completely, if we can completely inverse this fair value gap right here, this would look nice. March after 10 a.m. silver bullet, yes, sir. Do you have SMT here? No SMTs. We have SMTs right here, but I think we could go higher. Because 15-minute never broke structure, etc. And then like, right, once I do that, I'm like, hey yo, choose this, because like that would be such a short video. So it's like, I mean, that would be such a short video. It'd be like a reel, more than likely. And the thing is, like, you know, like Jack Doherty or like all those girls are fucking staged. All those videos are staged. So it's like, do I stage mine too? You know what I mean? I'm not here for all your small talk or your morning coffee. You don't have. Oh shoot. Till I scrolled up. Super Bowl was that long. You should have OnlyFans funnel then, dude. Like I can find, dude. I shit you not. This is what happens. Like Jack Doherty. Like I don't know where I heard this from, but he he finds 17-year-old girls that are turning 18. He's like he kind of like manipulates them or whatever, or shows them all this money that he has, and then like he's like, yeah, you should do OnlyFans, and I get like a percentage of whatever you make, and I would promote it. And that's how I think that's how he makes his money. Obviously, he's from YouTube too, but like I think that's how he makes his money also, bro. Anyone would fuck with One Up? Oh, the One Up candy, the One Up candy, right? Yo, what have you placed? Any trades today? I placed this one trade here, and that was the only trade I've taken so far. Um, yeah, it's the only trade I've taken so far. To today, to me today is one of power through period. Yeah, he has an OnlyFans manager and promoter at the same time. That's crazy, bro. I mean, like it's not about he's not fucking stupid. Like that's smart. One Up trader. Oh no no no. I thought you were talking about like FaZe Rugs One Up candy, bro. So I was like, bro. I think we keep pumping here. It's too late for longs. It's too late for longs. Well, we need a retracement. Reading the future of women. Let's go. No, for real. Get like, and now I feel like nowadays everyone, like every woman has an OnlyFans, bro, or some shit like that, man. I'm just like, bro, where the holy girls at? Bro, I just told this girl, good girl. Oh, I'm so fucked. That's funny. Wait, would you date Jerry? Just help us go about the SMT. I think we run to these highs for sure. Like I said, this is just generated salsa liquidity, which we're more likely to run. So I don't think the SMT. I think we keep running up here. We're very strong for bullishness. Would you date an OnlyFans girl? Fuck no. Fuck no. She's just nasty, bro. Her pussy fucking ran through type shit. Just tell. Tops in the morning, neighbor. Top in the morning. Why wouldn't he date only? Why wouldn't he date an OnlyFans girl? They got money. They can pay y'all so many challenges for you. For real, like that's very true. Be a gold digger. It's usually the other way around. Low key. Oh my god, my camera's like. Yeah, we're running to these highs for sure. I think I think shorts will look better in the PM session here. But yeah, if you guys are new to the stream, go ahead and join the Discord, guys. It is completely free. Let me show you guys really quick. Go ahead and join the Discord. It's completely free. People chatting here all the fucking time. So go ahead and join. Everyone here is super fucking nice. Yeah, go ahead and join. We have a community Discord right here. If you guys want to just talk about, or if anybody needs help with trading, go ahead and join the Discord. Majority of us trade ICT concepts. And yeah, I think most of us trade ICT concepts here. So like, if you have any questions, go ahead and join. It's completely free, like I said. Yeah, right here. The Discord should be in the link or whatever. We taking shortcuts here. The L would be date only for in their 30s when you're up, like all the stream guys. Exactly. Dude, I want to stream like. I thought about live streaming in real life, like bringing a camera wherever I go. Like this Saturday, I plan on like realistically, I plan on like live streaming on my YouTube and Kick at the same time. I don't know if it'll work like that, but I plan on live streaming on Kick and on YouTube and shit. And like the stream guys. And like just doing some random shit. Like lift, like work out. Watch me bench 2 plates, you feel me? Cause I'm at B Lou. I don't know if you guys know B Lou, but he was streaming, and I was working right, and I was like, what, like who keeps talking? I was like, cause it was just quiet, like like it was kind of dead in Target, and they just kept talking, and I'm like, why are they talking so loud? Why are they talking? I didn't realize he was streaming, and I was like, oh shit, that's what's up. Okay, so we just swept out this high here. So now, what am I expecting? This high was swept. This high was swept. We had this little 15-minute fair value gap right here. I think we keep going up here. I think I would like for us to retrace, maybe potentially back down. And then potentially go back up. Go for it, bro. I'm interested in that kind of content. Yeah, the thing is, like, I don't know what I'll be doing. Probably hit the gym and, like, just walk around, do something. And, like, just try to build my content up. Like, not just try to build it up. Stonks. Stock market simulator. Stonks. Okay, looks like we're not getting a retracement here. It's okay. We're closing above these highs, which is good. Like I said, this is the buy model here. SMT, higher time frame imbalance, which is the 4-hour. SMT divergence, smart money reversal. Like this is just your basic your market maker buy model here. How much time do you study a day? Honestly, if I'll be completely honest, I study like an hour a day. Or maybe not maybe like 30 minutes a day. Yeah, maybe like 30 minutes a day. I just get like super like fucking bored. I don't know. I feel like I know the concepts. Like I'll back test like every night before I go to bed. I usually back test and see, oh yeah, I could have done this, I could have done this, I could have seen this better and all this shit. And that's why I did that today. Cuz like yesterday I took the exact same positioning long. Like I took the exact same thing. We had to like yesterday. I shit you not, like I forgot where it was. It was a long here. Yeah, it was right here. It was right here. It was literally right here. So this long right here. Boom. We tap this long, right? We tap this long. Right? Tap this long, pushed up, right? And I entered my long position here yesterday. Stop was I entered my long position. Yeah, I entered right here. Yeah, I entered right here. And then I had my stops right here. And this is the exact same fucking thing that happened over here. So that's why I had my stops right here at this low or this 50% mark. And because I was trying to prevent the same thing from happening yesterday, because if you draw your fib from here to here, you never tap 50% mark, but we were close to it or whatever. I think you should study a bit more. Yeah, no, 100%. I always back test before I go to bed. I always back test. Last night I studied a little bit. I studied the market maker buy model, market maker sell model, and what it does and how it's useful. Like I said, I'm always doing something. I'm always like working on myself for sure. The only thing wrong you do is not wait for major liquidity to get swept first. You enter off at inverse fair gaps and stuff. Yeah, no, I need to wait for more like the liquidity draw to be fucking taken out. I need to wait on that for sure. If you just keep up this content, if you just keep content up, by the time you're profitable, people will be subscribing all day, 100%. Like, dude, I woke up this morning, one of my reels got 8,500 views. And I was like, holy shit. And then I looked at my subscriber count and I gained like 20 plus subscribers off that one reel. So I was like, oh shit, this I need to make more reels, bro, because people love reels, bro. They're brain fogging. They're brain rotting. You know what I mean? Like no offense, I do it too, but yeah, I made like if I'm being completely honest with you guys, I think I made like 7 cents off that reel. But like at the same time, I don't think it's like fully like there yet. I think because like YouTube takes a while for them to like estimate like how much you make off those reels, and I need some combines. You feel me? I need to buy more combines. Mm-mm. Can I change like the? We pop out at your party. I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery. Can I change the category? Fortnite, whatever. And it's gonna be a robbery. Do you still have your expenses? Your Express? I do not have my Express. There's not too many people transparent traders on YouTube. That's why I watch 100%. Like I said, I like to keep things real and legit most of the time. I don't want to be capping out of my ass. That's why I'm like that's why I'm like so honest with you guys. Like I'm just like I don't really give a fuck. You know what I mean? Like there's no point in lying. And like I'm like one of the first. I'm like the first trader to ever do this. So it's like, holy shit! Like I started something new, and I've created like a community based of people who want to actually do that themselves. Like post their unprofitable journey on YouTube too now. So that's amazing. Have you looked into the market maker sell models, trader, since you were studying market maker models? Um, isn't that just the market maker sell model? Like this just looks like the market maker sell model right here. Or no, this is the market maker bottom model. This is buy side of the curve. This is sell side of the curve. We're dumping, but we're leaving liquidity. We're generating sell side liquidity up here to potentially get taken out. And then this right here, SMT divergence, higher time frame PD array, broke structure. This looks great. Name is his name. Oh, his name. Oh, no, I do not know. I do not know him. I just watched Justin Werland's video, and that's what he was teaching me. So I was like, for buys, you want to look like this is sell side. This is sell side of the curve. Where the fuck is the curve? I can finally use this now because I actually know what the fuck I'm talking about. Sell side of the curve. This is buy side of the curve here, or whatever. Whenever we're dumping, we're generating sell side liquidity up here for us to potentially grab. So, yeah. And it's gonna be a robbery. So tuck your chain. I'm a killer, girl. I'm sorry, but I can change. Okay, so we tap this 1 minute here. Nice reaction. I think I might take a long here. But is it prominent? Is it fucking prominent? That's the thing. Do we have any SMT helping us here at all? We do have SMT right here. Longs here don't look bad. We have SMT divergence here. I'll look to long one more time here. And then stop is like 50% mark of this fair value gap range. Oh, I marked it fucking perfectly. Sheesh. And then I'll look to target like this high or something. If we come back down. I don't think longs here look that bad. You should look him up in your spare time, bro. Game changer. I got you. I'll definitely look him up. Market maker trade. Let me copy that real quick. On Twitter. Oh, the Twitter spice. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'll definitely keep him in mind for sure. Do more studying tonight for sure. Come on, can we get tapped? That'd be great. Damn, no tap. You see why I said earlier price of going to London high now? Yes, sir. Love to see it, brother. This high does look prominent now. We got some market structure. Looks great. Okay, we're tapped here with one contract. Let's see what this wants to do. We have bullish SMT here. Bullish SMT, which is holding in a PD array right here. And plus in discount area of this range. So I finally fucking waited. We're below discount. Hopefully this should go up here. Why not just watch ICT himself? Honestly, just boring as fuck. Realistically, just boring as fuck. Why not watch? Oh, anyone watch Waqar Asim? No, I do not know him. Can you quickly explain SMT? Yes, SMT is a smart money reversal, pretty much. So for example, like there's SMT everywhere, obviously, right? So basically, SMTs is basically just something that hasn't been swept. So for example, I'm about to give you all a lesson right here. SMT. So basically, let's go right here. Right, and then right here. So like for example, like this is SMT. So SMTs work for the Nasdaq futures or whatever. It's ES. So for SMTs, you would look for on ES and in Q. So for example, so let's say, let me mark this out. So let's say this is, let's just go for example. Let's say this is in Q, right? This is in Q. This is ES. So ES swept out this low right here, but NQ did not. NQ did not sweep out that low. NQ ended up making a higher high. So therefore now we have SMT divergence, because usually they're supposed to be like correlation. Like they're supposed to be the exact same, like realistically. So now we have SMT. This is the higher time. This is this means this one is more likely to hit because it made that higher high. That means it's stronger going towards that direction. So this is SMT. Both of these are SMT. You can take it on whatever trade you want, but yeah. So it's just basically a higher high or higher low made than the other pair. That's what SMT is. Hopefully that made sense. Because like right here, if you look on SMT right here, boom. Wait, do we? Oh shit, did I fuck it up? Oh, I think I fucked it up. Yeah, okay, this is no, we don't have SMT. I fucking lied. I was looking at the wrong thing. Okay, now we have SMT right here. So boom, 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 SMT right here. See how ES made that lower low, but NQ made that higher high. So now we have SMT divergence here. So now this is bullish SMT. That's why we pumped. Look at that. And who knows? We could honestly come back down and sweep out this low. I'm going to move my stops to break even after we sweep out these highs. Because that would be high day. I only use SMT once liquidity is taken. Works great for me. Exactly, 100%. This is technically low. This is technically liquidity right here. We sweep out this, and then boom. I see you, man. Thanks. Of course, brother, man. Because now we'll have SMTs here because NQ is about to sweep out these highs while ES is still lacking behind. Okay, so I'm moving my stuff to break even now. Who knows? We could come back down one more time, tap this 1 minute fair value gap, or I'll probably just move my stops to like right here. Nah, I'm moving my stuff to break even. I gotta get used to doing that. We have SMT at the highs now, but this seems to be the next draw on liquidity up here. Who knows? We could get stopped out here. Pray, Lord. Yeah, we could get stopped out here after sweeping a high day here. I took one loss this morning, didn't realize I bought in premium, patiently waited to buy a discount and upgrade for the day. Yes, sir. Like I said, you really only need you only need one really good win to make up those losses. Like yesterday, I took like 3 L's yesterday, bro. 3 L's yesterday, and that one winner made me all my profits back. Took a long at like 40 points. 40 points is a lot, bro. Sheesh. I have 3 funded accounts. I'm doing 2 more combines now. 10 stocks up to 5 total. Holy shit, that was a tongue twister. God damn. But yeah, I'm gonna buy like 5, like 50K accounts for sure. It's like $150 for 5. But like I have to put all that on a credit card. So like I'm betting on myself on making it this time. If I don't, I'm fucked. Literally fucked. $400 a day is all you need. That's a 2K a day. Yes, sir. And then like they take 50%, and then now you're only making like 1,000, which is still amazing. Don't quote, which is still great, by the way. Hopefully we can inverse this fair value gap right here. If we can inverse, that'd be great. But you need 149x fee. No, the thing is, if I pass all of them, I'm just gonna only buy one of them. I'm only gonna what is it? I'm only gonna buy one of the fees, and then work with that one, because now I don't have the monthly fee on the other accounts, right? So after I pass all of them, I'm just gonna do one account, buy one express account, and then get a payoff of that, and then use that money for those other accounts, and then work from there. Stack of payouts and put it 50%. Yes, they take 50% after, or they take 30% before your 30 winning days, if that makes sense. So after you have 30 winning days of $200 plus, then you get 90/10. It's not a scam. It's just you still get a payout. I mean, you still get a payout regardless. And then you use that money. Okay, we were stopped out of break even here. But that's Apex takes 10% after 10K payout. Yeah, that's after you get 10K, $10,000 of you paying out. Like majority of the traders here can't even get 10K. So like I got the first 10K on Top Step 100%. Yeah, so basically what their rules are. So for example, let me go like paint or some shit. Y'all are stressing me out. Okay, so basically, right? So okay, imagine you're funded, right? You're funded here. You're funded, right? So now, right now, after you're funded, you have an Express account, right? So you get 50/50, 50/50% wise. Oh, 50/50, right? Between you and Top Step, right? So after you have accumulated, you can still get paid, right? So after you have like progress and shown that you're a decent trader, after you have 30 days of $200 plus, right? So after you have 30 days of $200 plus, which is kind of like nothing realistically. The 30 days of $200 plus, then you can do a 90/10 split. You get 90% of the profits while Topstep gets 10% of the profits, and you would be moved on to an XFA account. If that makes sense. If that makes sense. Exactly. So you never have to pay the 10. Exactly. I mean, I guess yeah. No, 30 days to you don't have to win every day. You don't have to win every day. It's not consecutive. It's just random. Whenever you win $200 a day. Exactly. So you never have to pay the 10% or pay the 10. Oh, I guess I just don't like Apex at fucking all. What is the profit split? Traders will receive 100% of the profits from payouts for up to 10,000. The first 10,000 of funds you will receive the trader. Oh yeah. So like the first profit split is 10,000. You get 10,000 whatever, right? You get free. You get $10,000, and then after that, then they do 90/10. Is what I meant to say. Yeah, looks like we just came back down, swept out more liquidity here. Yeah, so there's 50/50 split first, and then once you have accumulated 30 days of $200 plus, then you do 100% yours. You can't take a payout more than 50% of the account total. So if I make 4K, then most I can take out is 2K. Yeah, exactly. You can only take out 2K. But for you, I'm falling for straight. I think I might take a long here if we can inverse this for value gap and not take out this hype here. Looks like we just came up, swept it again. Oh, you mean that way pushing? Pushing P. If we can inverse this fair value gap, that'd be great. But we did break structure here too. Essentially, you can take 100% of the account, but they would be considered blown. I'd rather just have a couple 50K accounts at Apex and take 2K every 2 weeks from them. Now that's valid. Like I want to I want to compound my shit too. Like buy 50K accounts, get one, get a payout, and then like buy all of my other 50K accounts, and then get a payout, and then go to Apex, get 50K, whatever, or whatever. I don't even know. And then yeah. I'm in the process of trading on the demo and have been trading for Forex for the last year or so. Do you think I should change to futures because I've become profitable on Forex? I would say definitely give futures a try. It's definitely a lot better than Forex. I would say so. It moves better. It's just the time. It just depends on what time zone you're in. If you're in U.S., then yeah, this is the perfect. Futures is the best. But it just depends on what time zone you're in. But yeah, I would say maybe switch to futures. Forex is dog shit. Dog shit. There's too many news. There's like way too much news. There's too many correlating pairs, and it's just confusing overall. Bro, measure the last big manipulation move that happened. The bullish bar with a huge wick, and it still didn't come to the discount. Don't FOMO in too long. Yeah, no, I'm not. I think I'm done for the day, bro. Realistically, I'm up like $600, $610 on the day. So I'm pretty chilling with that, and I only do it with one contract too. So yeah, I would Forex moved all the space up empty 4, so you could go broker platform, you can move the price. On the first, I'm still gonna request a payout on my on the first. I'm gonna request my payout on my first account, and then buy another. So I have 2. Then I can, if there's 2, I get 4. Scale up that way. Exactly. Scale up slowly, because I heard platforms are going out of business soon. So I don't know how, but apparently they are. So what's the best place to learn about futures? That's a good question. That's a great question. Join the Discord. Someone will definitely help you out for sure. For sure. Yeah, YouTube, whatever. Like it just depends. Like if you have like personal questions, then yeah, I guess join the Discord. But I said this doesn't look bad. I want us to run through this fair value guy first for entering longs. I know I said I was gonna trade, but like I'm waiting on an opportunity here. Rejecting off this bearish fair value up here. I don't think we're gonna sweep at London High though. We did tap this 15-minute. We're rejected. Tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. Never buy courses, waste of money, 100%. I mean, dude, honestly, I don't think it's a waste of money. I think it's a learning experience for everyone, for sure, 100%. Do you like my funded futures? I don't use my funded futures. My funded futures is way too expensive, and like the rules are just different. I don't think it's a good idea to put this on credit card, dude. You have no evidence of what you're doing. Do actually, and you have no reserves to sit on. The thing is, like, I need to get a job, bro. I need to get a job. The sell side that you marked out is exactly on discount level. Longing after sweeping that is prominent. Exactly. I just need some sort of confluence here. Consolidation expansion price is building up liquidity right now. We're eventually going to sweep out all of this liquidity. Boom. And go back up. And coming from someone who quit their job to trade. No, I completely understand. 100%. It'd be like $100, like $150 for 5 50K combines. But other than that, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the live stream here. Realistically, price is just consolidating here, and plus I'm kind of hungry. Why are you buying 5? Just buy 1. Because it's a sale right now, right? So like I want to try to take advantage of it. Try to pass 1 by 1 or some shit. I say go for it, bro. Do you? 100%. I think you have to buy the activation within 30 days of passing. Yeah, exactly. So by the time I do that, so let's say I buy, right? I buy it, whatever. Buy buy 5 of them. Pass one. Buy the activation code on that, and then get a payout, and then use the others to like use the activation code or whatever, or maybe you can put that into like a life funded account. I don't even know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not even sure yet. I'm brave farting right now. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Thank you everyone for joining. We're up on the day off this trade here. So, well, thank you guys so much for joining. Wait, don't dispute everyone's path is different. I hate when people try to give input on what they got going. It's just another source of like knowledge from other people. Bro, what makes you think I can do that? I'm just the top dog. You feel me? Like I'm just him. No, I'm playing. I just have like a plan, I guess. But we'll see. I'm not even sure yet. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do yet, realistically. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna end the live stream here. Thank you everyone for joining. I appreciate that a lot. We're up on the day, like I said, we're up by like $600, and I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Thank you guys.